Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Buick Enclave key fob. It's a simple process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin battery, which is widely available, and a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help open the fob. Let's get started with the first step. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the hidden emergency key. This key is essential for opening the fob. Now, insert the tip of the emergency key, or your small flathead screwdriver, into the slot where the key was housed. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the round, silver CR 2032 battery. Take a moment to observe which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your small screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces down, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them click and snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. There's no need for reprogramming. Simply test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.